Hello, my lovely people. I welcome you back again to my channel. Hope you guys are doing wonderfully well. In today's video, we are making soft and fluffy kose recipe. This recipe was quick and the outcome was so lovely. If today is your first time here, please consider subscribing to the channel and be part of this amazing family. Let's get started. In my bowl, I have my beans here, which I have soaked for some hours. The reason being that I want the beans to be very soft so that when blending, it will be very smooth and nice. So I'll just go ahead, get rid of this water, and then wash it again off camera. Okay, after washing the beans, here is it now. And I'll go ahead, add some onion. I'll also add some pepper, then put everything in a blender. I'll then go ahead and add 1 cup of water and blend until it is smooth. Okay, so after blending, here is the beans paste. Now I will then add in some scallion and also add a teaspoon of salt. So I will whisk until it become light. Alright fam, so at this point the beans paste is very light and I want to thank my returning subscribers for always using your precious time to watch my videos and also leaving a comment under it. Thank you so much and God bless you. So now I'll go ahead and heat up my oil. Moving forward, the oil is hot enough. I then went ahead to scoop some of the bean paste and drop it gently into the oil. We are on all socials, Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. The name is Ghanaian Koose and it is totally free. After some time in the oil, I'm turning for the other side to also fry very well. And when it is ready, I'll take it off from the oil. So guys, as you can see, the kosi are well fried and I'm just taking it from the oil and I'll repeat the process until every kosi is well fried. Thank you so much if you are still watching this video up to this time, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also share this video among your friends and family. Okay, lovelies, here is our Koose recipe. This Koose came out so perfect, lovely, delicious, and fluffy as well. I really love it. If you find this video interesting, please like this video, share, and also comment and subscribe to the channel if you have not yet subscribed. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you guys in my next upload. Thank you. Bye.